Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
You're going up against professional pit crews, boys. You're gonna have to be fast.
They will not know what beat them.
Make some changes.
Changes? What kind of changes?
It's futile to resist change, man.
No, I'm just worried. About what? My job to...
Your blinker's on!
What? No, it's not. Hey! Your blinker's on.
Tag, you're in.
What?
Muddy.
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Come back. There will be no bumping, no cheating, no spitting, no biting, no road rage.
No, wow.
that fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Mate.
Yeah, you in the red. I could use a little hose down. Help me wash this off.
Starting to think I might never meet you.
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look-see.
Hey, yo!
Son, that was some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dynaco?
Come on, guys. These crates aren't gonna unload themselves.
You're gonna fit right in California.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will beat it.
Roby?
My name is Roby the Detective.
French rally car Raoul Sarul is counting on a big boost headed through there.
And don't forget Lightning Mc...
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded to radio contact?
Thanks, guys.
Clean chapel on wheels. I'm coming for you, Storm.
Bruce, this isn't what I thought it was. Come on, follow me and we'll slip out.
¡Hey! ¡La del disfraz! Al principio creí que estabas aquí.
That's good.
Watching him work is making me thirsty. Anybody else want something to drink? Line up, mate.
Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one celebrating?
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this. Dragon!
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
I'm not coming in behind you again, old man.
La grua di corretto, jatuh!
Big Al! Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago. Then why are you bringing him up, you Leonard? We're gonna...
Why aren't you in disguise? Come on, there's no time. Go.
Okay.
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No, guys, I just really...
I did all kinds of stunts.
Förlorar den blir av med all extra utrustning och förvandlas till standardmodell.
Oh, him? This is the bloke that called into the television show. You're the one I have to thank.
No, thank you.
Oh, is that right? Then why don't we just have a little race? Me and you.
What?